Today we will light the third candle, the candle of joy. As we wait for Christmas, the birth of Jesus, we look forward to the joyful celebrations we will share with those we love. The prophet Zephaniah calls us to shout for joy because God will transform the people. When Jesus was born in Bethlehem, the angel told the shepherds not to be afraid. The angels brought good news of great joy, which shall be to all people. The good news of Jesus' birth and the promise of shalom are still tidings of great joy for us today. Paul tells us to rejoice in God always. The third candle reminds us of our joy in Jesus Christ. The third candle is pink and symbolizes joy. It is called the shepherd's candle and is pink because rose is a color for joy. God of joy, thank you for the excitement and delight we experience at this joyful time of year. Help us to share your joy with others so that they too will be filled with your spirit.